Welcome to our session on visualization. In the previous session, we learned about focusing our attention on a point on the body. Visualization is a common and simple technique used to help us remain focused during meditation. It is particularly helpful if your mind tends to conjure up distracting images or daydreams during your meditation. The object you visualize can be something you see or something you feel. In reality, you can visualize anything easy that gives you a positive or neutral feeling. But traditionally, we visualize a crystal ball, the sun, or the full moon, because they are universally easy to imagine. So let's get started. When you are ready, sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Start by taking a deep breath. Allow your body to relax and be at ease. Then let us visualize our meditation object. Whatever object you have chosen to think about. Remember to think of it lightly and gently, not to force, not to push. It is similar to remembering. So whatever object or image you are visualizing, don't force yourself to see it. Visualizing is a way to help us stay focused, relaxingly, rather than forcefully. Just allow your mind to stay with your meditation object or image, just like hanging out with a friend. If your mind wanders, remember to come back and hang out with your friend, your meditation object or image. Just breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let us continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath, and slowly and gently coming back. You don't need to rush. Don't need to completely come out yet. Notice how you feel right now that we have finished our meditation. Having a mental image can really help us with focus. Visualization is one of the many tools we use to help us focus. So as you continue your daily practice, allow your mind to be at ease and comfortable. Next time, we will talk about another meditation tool, the mantra.